Hey guys, I have here a gauge cluster from a 2003 Volvo S40. This one came in with a bad gauge, speedometer gauge, and odometer wasn't counting as well. And we got this one fixed up. As you can see here, I got my speed signal generator hooked up to it. Right there, it's counting the miles. So yeah, if you have an issue with your speedometer and odometer not counting and everything checks out on the vehicle, then you could send it to us for repair. I'll have a link to our website in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.